Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell. And today we have a very special unboxing. Um, it's from one of our sponsors. And let's get right to it. And this is from EV Armor. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright guys, let's open this package right up. Let's take a look inside and see what it is. A very special announcement at the very end if you listen. And wait. Okay. There's two packages inside. Because guess what? One's going to be given away. Yes, our sponsors, EV Armor, has supplied us with two of these packages, and one will be given away. So it came from UPS. So let's open one of them up. And this is the one that I'll be installing. And as you can see, this is the one I'll be giving away. Alright, so let's go right inside here and see what it is. Okay, so these are all the tools and things that you need to apply the product on properly. Oh, okay. Is there anything else in the piece of paper? No, there isn't. So everything should be straightforward. And without further ado, here it is. EV Armor electric vehicle wraps. And here is the carbon fiber wrap with the set of instructions posted right here. You can see that very easy to install, and this was mailed to us from EV Armor, and they actually mailed us two packages, and they said that we can give one away to one of our viewers. So they use very high quality 3M wrap film paper, and what this is this is the center console wrap uh, for the whole panel there, and then the middle, and with the cup holder, and yeah, this is where that that glossy black center console that they have. This now, as you can see, is carbon fiber, and it's really good quality carbon fiber. Nowadays when you get carbon fiber, you gotta look at the cut, and you gotta look at the quality of the carbon fiber and how they actually produced it. Not all carbon fiber is the exact same, and there's different qualities to carbon fiber. So yeah, see, it has a set of instructions. Everything is labeled right here, and I'm going to be installing this in my vehicle soon, and also actually giving this away. So, the link is in the description for where you can find EV Armor. I'll also be making another video for the installation of the video of the product for the video, and look forward to that coming soon. So this is going to be a two-part series. Um, we're really going to test out the durability and the quality of this product, and also be giving one away. So, like the slogan says, That's all I gotta say. So, thank you, and have a nice day. Oh yeah, and the giveaway um, will be announced in the installation video. In order to get the giveaway, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. The reason why you'd want um, a free carbon wrap for your center console of your model. You state those reasons, and the lucky winner, one of you will be selected, and we'll give away the product. All right, thank you. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.